Hi everyone, welcome to the Mastering Tech Insights. I request you guys please subscribe the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most important concept in SQL indexes. We will cover what an index is, why it is used, and then deep dive into the three main types: unique index, cluster index, and non-cluster index with real world examples. What is an index? Let's start with the basics. Index in SQL, like the index of a book. Instead of flipping through every pages to finding what you need, the index helps you go direct to the exact page faster and easier. Similarly, in the database, an index helps SQL engine to find what quickly without scanning the entire table. Index improved the select query performance but can slow down in insert, update and delete operations because the index must be updated too. An unique index ensures that no two rows have the same value. In special columns, in enforce uniqueness. Just like a primary key, in the example, SQL will not allow two employees to have the same email ID. If you try to insert a duplicate email ID, you will get an error. Now let's talk about cluster index. A cluster index determines the physical order of data in a table. You can think of like a backbone of your tables. Data is actually stored and sorted based on this index. In this example, all employee records will be physical storage as ascending order of a employee ID. Each table can have only one cluster index because data can only be stored in one order. Next of non-cluster index, like a cluster index, a non-cluster index creates a separate structure from the data itself. It's look like a lookup tables that point to the actual data row. Here, the index store employee name with pointers to the actual data row. You can see here. You can have multiple cluster index in one table. Useful when you frequently search or filter by different columns. You can have multiple non-cluster index in one table. It is useful when you frequently search or filter by different columns. Here is a quick summary before we wrap up. Each index type serves a specific purpose. Use them wisely to boost performance and maintain the data consistency. If you found this video is helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more database and other tech related videos. In the next video, we will explore a composite index and how to optimize your database. If you comment on the comment box, then only. See you soon. Thank you.